Yeah, me again, as often. So before I switched off the machine, I inserted a floppy disk of QTop version 1.23, the 1995 release, into the floppy disk drive, and used SMS2's file program to show the content, and tried to start some executables. You can see them with E. But as I knew, QTop turbo compiled is not able to run under SMS2. It runs nicely under QDOS, which is version 1 operating system, and under SMS2 which is version 2 point something and 3 version of the OS. But I saw that there is a small executable called QTop 3 announce bin, and tried to launch that one. You hear the floppy disk drive, and up you go. I remember that the program was made for a colored screen, so that's why in the center the text is not really readable there, but you can spot a bit that it's 1988 to 1995, and the splash screen works, as do the small key press polling loop. And what's also working is the jobs menu, and you see that on the bottom there's a QC program. So I now remember that part of QTop version 3 was being written in C, compiled with GST's QC compiler. Okay, that was a rather long additional outro video, but now I really need to end today's QL session. So take care, stay healthy, bye.